Alright, Sightseeing with Dignity 62, Part 15, my video documentation. It's May 21st, 2026. Nice chirping and chortling and singing over there, guys, gals, thank you. Alright, I simply went over the this is right side of her head from the photograph on viewer's left with some green ink and a brush. Kind of used it like a watercolor type wash, and I just like it like that. I added a touch there and there. Okay, and mention again, this was a librarian. She was only 48. She had decades ahead of her. She was slain in a terrorism attack with the media falsely, shamefully, erroneously, as well as police chiefs, mayors, county executives, the FBI, especially in a Republican administration, which they horrendously call mass shootings, whereas every mass shooting is terrorism. Christina Carter, 48, librarian, she was slain August 21st, 2017 at the Clovis Carver Public Library in Clovis, New Mexico. Also, see in my website, as well as videos in YouTube, I memorialized her co-worker, who was, if I recall, was like a circulation assistant staffer, Wanda Walters. Sightseeing with Dignity 45, Catalog and Issues, SWD 45, Wanda Walters. All right, to be continued here.